Okay, my presentation for today is UNISEC Egypt. I will do some SWOT analysis actually. So I'll outline, I'll talk about UNISEC Egypt, SWOT analysis, and reconstruction of our lab, space lab, and our future plans. We got actually officially became a UNISEC member. We thought this could be an opportunity for us to reshape our space technology lab. So we did some SWOT analysis, look at our strengths. Actually, we have many years of teaching and research. We have trained professors and research assistants. We shared in Egypt Sat1, and we have really a recent experience, hand-on experience from CLTB. We have 3 faculties shared in CLTBs. We built CanSat, CubeSat, rovers, and quadcopters. And we actually, as a Cairo University, we get the top of students in Egypt. So all this actually strengths for us. For weakness, we have short in managerial and secretarial staff. We have also short in technical help. We lack of good equipment and good quality sensors. This is a problem for us. And we don't have really a dedicated budget for research. Opportunity is in Egypt, students start to like aerospace engineering. I don't know why, but because they see things fly. So many students want to join aerospace activities. We start getting requests from other universities because we are the only aerospace university in Egypt. So other universities don't have this department. So, but they start to like to join us from Alexandria Library, Swale University, and National Authority of Remote Sensing. So this could be a good opportunity for us to use their facilities or resources. What really threatens us is bureaucracy. We have a lot of bureaucracy. It's now harder and harder to acquire new aerospace equipments. Actually, we can't bring even model aircraft to Egypt these days. It's also funding is really limited because most of the money is spent on security cameras and security personnel. We have 5 universities apply to actually start a space program. We can see this as a threat for Cairo University, or also it could be benefits that we have some competency between us. So when we reconstruct the space lab, we're going to set 8 groups. We said this would be the main groups, headed by the point of contact, which actually me and Dr. Muhammad Khalil. So these groups will be CTP group. This is like CLTB. This is the engine of learning for us. We teach students how to build CanSat. Up now we made 5 training sessions, and the last one was just a few weeks ago. We built a lot of experience. This is the last 3 CanSat. We can see this one is actually made from a CNC machine. These 2 are from a 3D printer. We can actually reduce the weight of CanSat to less than 200 grams. Second group is ground station group. This is just a starting group. We do the theoretical part for now. We still didn't acquire the equipment. We do some feasibility study, but we have problem with security permissions and having the funding money. We start with CubeSat. We have like 3 trials. We are going near getting the engineering model, and we actually have some offers from Russia and Ukraine to help us building this, and we're trying to push the university to have its own CubeSat on university satellite. We hope we succeeded, then we'll get enough money to actually build something. We actually start this quad and octocopter to use it as a launcher for CubeSat, for CanSat. But actually this gets interest of a lot of students, so we continue research in this area. And we made a group for it. We have also a rover group. We shared in many competitions. And actually this picture, my students ask me to put it to prove that they work hard, they don't find time to eat, they only live on their ships. Then launching group, we basically use balloons. This is balloon from our last launch. This is the part which we put CanSat in. And we start this year, working on propulsion. We want to have actually our own rocket to launch the satellite. The last two groups together actually made it two, because this is a real problem for us, public relation and fundraising group. We need actually to secure some funding, so we make these two groups to work together, and we sort of that actually this year we have our anniversary. The department has like 75 years since its start, and since we have actually a full program from the first year, we have 25 years, so we have an anniversary and invite a lot of people, hoping we can get some money. Finally, it's our future plan. We'll continue on teaching the students CanSat education. We're competing actually internally and internationally. We hope we can improve our CubeSat and to get the funding to build our university CubeSat. We're trying to blending with Egypt Space Research Plan for Egypt, so we can really secure some funding and cooperate with some institute which has some fund. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Are there any questions? I have a question. After graduation, what are most of the students from your laboratory doing?
Okay, actually, now most of the students go to this new 5 university who want to build a space. They took them to help them build things.
Okay, so most of your students are bachelors or masters or PhDs?
Most of students actually bachelors. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. And one more question. Are you working in any way with NARS or the ESA, Egyptian
yes,
Space
we're
Agency?
trying to cooperate. They want to join this. We teach them as building the CanSat, and we hope we get some fund from them. They have money, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Are there any other questions? Okay, then we will move to the next